So here I have the two front wings, and behind here is the bonnet. Now these front wings were sandblasted 30 years ago when I had that old garage that was this side of that wall. That side was the garden, and then I extended it. So then I sandblasted it over there, and I put these covers on, and I haven't really looked at them since. So today I'm going to take all the plastic off and see what I've got. I'm Steve and welcome to my channel. So what one's this? This is the left-hand wing, the passenger side. It's not bad, it's a bit rust there, as you would expect really. Oh, it's a bit lumpy there. That's been panel beated by the looks of it. These are not the original wings to the car. So yeah, I remembered this here. So there's some welding to do there and down here. So this is the driver's side right hand wing, and I do remember this as well. So there's all rust there, and I think there's the same on the other side. There's rust there, but this up here, oh, there's a bit of rust here. So this is the bonnet. Now this is the original bonnet, so there's no dents or rust, only a little bit of rust here. Something's dripped on there over the years, and it's rusted it there. Well, that can soon be rubbed down and get back to bare metal again, that's no problems. Well, I bought this a couple of years ago, I think. Never really used it. So, you know, each tool comes into its own, and these are really good. They're really hard wearing, and it's really roughing the surface up, ready for the primer. Nice key for the primer. So I'm just going over with this. So yesterday I had to go at panel beating this with this slapper, and it's much better than it was, but it's not perfect. So yesterday evening I went on YouTube and I re-watched some videos that Metal Shaper Tom put out, and he had a mini front wing which had a deep dent in it. So I'm going to try to apply the techniques that he did and go by what he's saying, because he got his absolutely perfect. So that's all nice and dry. It's been dry. This blue marker's dry. So now I'm just going to go across with this. The aim is not to actually file the metal down, it's just to find the high spots. So there's a high spot there. There's a low spot there. So now I'm going to try on dolly. Oh, that's better. Well, it's taken me a couple of hours to get this. It's not perfect, but the shape is good. And I found that I had a low spot there, and as I was trying to panel beat that out, it spread to here. In the end, I managed to get that out by putting this underneath and knocking it out. As you can see, it's still a little bit low there, but actually I can't really feel it, and it's like probably 1/10 of a millimetre, you know, when you put this on there. So just a thin layer of filler all over here will sort it out. It's still lumpy and bumpy here, but the shape is right. So I'm leaving it as it is.